everyone, welcome to day 5 of Healthy Cooking with Me series. In this video I have created, or rather experimented with, something sweet. So this is a dessert that I'm going to share with you, although I'm not that much of a sweet tooth, but I just thought that we should include one dessert in the 7 days, and so why not this? It ended up being really tasty. I've had it, so I can tell you. Let's not delay and get into the video, but before that, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So the first step is to keep the milk to boil. I've kept around 200 milliliters, and then I've taken 4 almonds and 3 cashews, and I'm gonna grind it up nicely. If you want, you can grate it or just cut them into small pieces. I'm using this traditional way to chop them. And in the milk I've added some jaggery, like a little bit of jaggery to make it a little sweet. I'm not using sugar. Now I'm gonna roast my dry fruits. So I've kept a little bit of, at least half a tablespoon of ghee in a small pan, and I'm gonna roast all my dry fruits. So I'll keep this on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll mix the dry fruits with the ghee here. This will slightly start to change its color, and meanwhile we'll also check the milk. So we want the milk to come to boil and slightly change its color. Now in a bowl I've taken some oats, around 3 to 4 tablespoons you can take. This I'm making only one serving, so I've taken that. And to this I'm gonna add my roasted dry fruits, and I'm gonna nicely mix this up. Now I've taken half of a medium sized mango and I've cut it into small pieces. So I'm going to start mixing it with the oats and dry fruits. I'm going to basically add the mangoes to my bowl. So like you can see, I've nicely mixed mango, oats and dry fruits together into the bowl, and now I'm going to check my milk because it has changed its color, and I switch off the flame and let it rest for some time till it's slightly cooled down. And now I'm going to add the milk to my bowl, and I think that I've taken a slightly small bowl for this, but it's okay, we're going to work with it. Now what you're going to do is mix everything into each other nicely with the milk. I'm going really slow because of course if I do it quickly it's gonna fall off the rim. So yeah, mix it nicely. So I basically poured it into a bigger bowl, and now I'm going to take time and mix it because it's very important to nicely mix everything together, because obviously you are not grinding it, you still need it to be mixed. After some time I'm going to pour it into a clean bowl. So this is the same bowl that I've taken. It's small, I know, but it's okay. We don't really need to do anything after this. All we're going to do is take this bowl and keep it in the freezer for some time. So I'm keeping it in the freezer for 6 to 7 hours because I like it really chilled. And after almost 6 hours, let's see how it looks. Obviously it's completely frozen and it looks like an ice cream, really tasty and delicious, and it was really creamy. So let's just dig in because it looks completely tempting. And now if you can see, it looks like an ice cream, yummy, and of course it's creamy. So it was very tasty. I just couldn't wait and I tasted it, so I'm going to show you that clip now. So I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe before leaving. Bye.